Hi everyone. My name is Angelica, and this is going to be my first video. Um, just same with you guys. I've got the same fashion, which is like doing cross stitching. Um, this is going to be my first video, so I just want to let you know that I'm a hand stitcher, and until now I didn't know that there's hoops, there's frames, there's stand frames, there is Q-snap that you can use for cross stitching, because ever since I was using my hand like in stitching. It's like free hand stitching. um, I'm gonna show you my three big projects that I finish. Actually, every time I finish a project, my husband is the one who's like, okay, let's frame it and hang it in the house. And yeah, so here it is. So this one is what you call spring queen. I made this one when I think I made this one year 2000, and instead of using 32 count Aida, which is like I think recommended for memorabilia design, I only use whatever cloth that I got. I got no idea that there is like such thing like counts, like 32 counts, 14 counts, 28 counts of fabric. I just think that, as long as it's a fabric, you can use it. And yeah, so basically this project turns out to be bigger as recommended on the pattern. And yeah, so all of my finishes of Mirabilia, I think, was being stitched on a 14 count Aida, which is one time I went into the into a Stitches Corner, which is our store craft that you can find here in Western Australia, and on their walls there are like model stitch mirabilia. Keep on saying mirabilia cross stitch. And I was thinking about my finish, and mine are like so big, and for them it's like almost half of my finished cross stitch. And so I asked, and I said, how come it's this one is really small? And I said, I got the same pattern, and I don't have the same size of finish. I said I got a bigger one. So it turns out that it's very expensive for me when it gets to be framed. And then she said, oh, if you look on the pattern, there is suggested suggested count of a fabric that you're gonna use, but I think it's up to you what you want to use, And I was like, okay, oh, that's why. But saying so that's my spring queen. And the next one, this one is my Rose of Sharon, which is another Mirabilia. Got it right now, which is another Mirabilia design as well. I love the flowers of this design. It's like, I know it's a pain in the ass, like stitching those little flowers and everything, because from time to time you have to change the color of the thread and everything, but once it's all finished, it will blow you away. you know, the magic that these colors can bring into the fabric. It's really, really good. As far as I remember, this the the cross stitch pattern of this one is from my sister-in-law, because she done her cross stitch, and actually she just make a copy of the pattern, like photocopy it, enlarge it. So then she saved the original one, and then she gave it to me. When she realized that I was on stitching as well, she gave it to me. And then when I finish it off, when I finish doing the Rose of Sharon as well, when one of my friends, family friends, came over, and then she saw this one, the Rose of Sharon, and she asked for the design or the pattern, and so I gave it to her. So that's it. So that Rose of Sharon, I think I did it around 2001. After finishing off those Spring Queen, I don't really know the exact day that I finished that piece. And then this is the last one that I'm doing, that I did. This is the last, what you call the Last Supper, and I remember this one. I was like stitching this one when I was pregnant with my eldest son. So that was 2004. Yeah, and yeah, hope I'll see you all guys in my next video. And